Pramotha YTF TWF Block Committee by Candle Mars by Himbotok Ompi Amsai Ompi Bazar Tini New Candle March Rally Haimas of Pika Chini Pramotha Block Committee President Boromana Chini Dash Jamatia Taibutamani Devrago YTF ni Chini President Block President Boromana Chini Devosi Jamatia Chini Agini Boromana Jam Block President TWF Jam Chini Malikona Devorma Bobotomono Kambaya Paru Take a Bango Chini Didas of Haishop Message of Monotonai Chantini Candle March Tomonibang Makai Mala Chini Angel Chakma They Michael Chakma Broguta Upayo Deraduno MBA student Boro for 8 months Higher education Bangi Deraduno Pro Seconsa Kaisi incident of Bazar of Pro Hito Samun Nangi Bazar Kenakata Kainibang Pro Kisha Lamago Hoito Chehara Soliaba Chini Mongolian face ba Chinky Chinese Momo Nepali pa hoza kha Chinese pa hoza kha mai ke kisu bengai jak mani toigine borok bo jehetu educated borok lekha pora khaijak ba Indian citizen ngai borok bo rights tongu kok awasti sakadi loge ni kisa kok torka torking laikha nga torka torking khangkha yak sokjak kha oroni local jara soidan tongnai gunda tongnai Dehradun area ni borok bai bujakte tokjakte Tokharjak Paiki Haisi, Ugoto Nanga Prai, Noitarigo. Noitarigo to Nangmani, Bo Hospital of admitting her, Sabistarigo Bo, Langmarika. Tabukana, Boni Bufayong, Baboni, Salai, Michael Sakmo Takpana, Tongko Hospital, admitted Ketongzak. Angsana Musugo, I just want to request central government not to look us discriminately. Please try to treat us equally as per Indian Constitution, as per the article number 14, the equality rights. We should get the fundamental rights, the equality rights as a citizen of India. So Indian is a citizen. Our looks may be different from different communities, different castes, but we should not be treated as Chinese, Nepalese. We are Indians. First of all, our identity is we are Indian. So Indian Iborok, Jokon national song, national anthem Jokon Ruchap Jago. We feel proud ourselves. So Chini Bokomo Rotoro Basai Fayu. Karon, so Indians. Jokon India by Jokon Pakistan cricket Tungo. Jokon cricket